First of all, it's a real privilege for me as a returned Peace Corps volunteer in our PCV to have the opportunity and the honor to lead the Peace Corps as we enter our 50th anniversary. I never could have imagined that one day I would arrive to be the director of the Peace Corps. But the fact of the matter is that the Peace Corps opened doors for me that I never expected to walk through. And it was a really important leadership experience. It gave me a chance to be tested, to develop leadership skills, to learn about another culture, to learn another language, and it led me to develop a career in international development, which eventually led me to where I am today. So the Peace Corps was the beginning of all that when I served as a volunteer in the Dominican Republic. When you think back that 50 years ago, as of October 14th, then Senator Kennedy gave a speech at the University of Michigan where he asked people who were there, 2 o'clock in the morning at the Student Union, for those of you who want to be doctors, would you give a year of your life to work on health care in Ghana? And to think that 10 months later, we had our first program in Ghana. We've always had the same mission, to promote world peace and friendship. And we focus on the same 3 goals of providing Americans to work on priority projects and giving the people in the developing world a chance to learn what Americans are really about, shoulder to shoulder, face to face. I think if you want to obtain a important targeted leadership experience, the Peace Corps is the way to go. You'll be tested. You'll have to develop skills of learning and listening, patience. You'll work with people of different cultures. You'll learn to speak their language. You'll walk in their shoes. You'll understand their perspective on the world. They'll begin then learn more about the average American. And those are the kind of skills that are going to make you a good citizen and a good leader in the future in this interconnected global economy and the world that we live in. The thing about Peace Corps, which I think continues to be important, is that it provides Americans with a chance to learn about a different culture, to learn a different language, to really work shoulder to shoulder, side by side with people and communities around the world.